Hello, welcome to our quick introduction to the Walden Library's education databases and resources. These databases and resources will help with your weekly assignments and discussion posts, as well as your dissertation or project study. They are all accessible from the Education Research page. To get to the Education Research page, start on the library's homepage. Go to the Subject Resources box and click on Select a Subject. Then click on Education. This is the Education Research page. You can start a general search in the Start My Education Research box at the top of the page. This will automatically search across a number of databases containing education-related journals. Unfortunately, it does not search across all Walden Library databases. This means it is most helpful for weekly assignments, discussion posts, and other coursework. It is not intended for research requiring comprehensive review of the literature, such as a doctoral capstone. The next box on the screen is where you can find education articles, journals, and books. Click on the Education Databases page to browse our recommended databases. Many of you have never had the need to move beyond our first few databases, such as Education Source or ERIC. For your literature review, now is the time to begin looking at all our other databases we offer, such as these multidisciplinary databases, SAGE, ScienceDirect, Taylor and Francis, and Academic Search Complete. The Journals link provides a list of education journals available at the Walden Library by discipline. There is also a link to a listing of recommended books on education research under the Books page. As you scroll down further, you'll see the Research Help box. The first link is to the Education Research Basics. If you are new to the library or want a little refresher, this section is the place to start. The rest of the pages are full of resources that are useful for faculty research or doctoral students working for dissertations and project studies. Each box will have links to the education-specific resources as well as general information on that topic. For instance, the Literature Review page has links explaining its scope and purpose, search skills, and how to stay organized, as well as a link to the literature review process specific for the field of education and the library's general literature review guide. The Theories and Theorists box has links for finding theories in education, education encyclopedias, and a table of education theories and theoretical works, as well as a link to the library's general guide on theories and theorists. The Methodology box has a link to recommended database as well as links to education methodology books and how to search for examples of specific research methods. For more information on research methods in education, you can click on the link at the bottom of the page. The Statistics and Data page outlines how to find statistics on the web and how to search for articles with statistics in them in the databases. There is also a link to the Education Statistics and Data Guide that has reliable sources for education statistics. The Test and Measures section will get you started with identifying and finding education-related tests and measures, which can also be called instruments. The Residency Materials page has a link to the EDD Residency Student Resource Aid, where you will find information on what to expect from the library at residency and links to our PowerPoint presentation slides. Finally, the upcoming webinar page lists webinars that you can register for in the next few weeks. If you need help and want an answer fast, we recommend the Quick Answers link. This button is in the column on the left side of your screen, right under the pictures of the College of Education Liaison Librarians. This is a frequently asked questions button for the library. If you have a question, someone else has probably already asked it. You can click on the Quick Answers button, type in your question, and it will search thousands of quick answers for you. If you are still not seeing what you're looking for, you can always ask a librarian. There are two ways to get in touch with us. From the Education Research page, you can click the link right under the Quick Answers button, or you can click on the Ask a Librarian link in the top toolbar of all the library web pages. Here you can email us, leave us a voicemail, or chat with us if the chat feature is open. If you need a more in-depth one-on-one appointment, you can schedule a doctoral research appointment. You will need to read and agree to our policy and terms, click on Schedule an Appointment, No Preference. The days that appointments are available will be highlighted. Select a date that works for you to see what times are available. This has been a quick tour of the Education Research page and just some of the many resources available here. Take some time to explore and see what other resources we have for you at the library. Thank you for watching.